Welcome peeps, this is Bike Life with Rob. I'm Rob. Here we are on our West family vacation, and the wife and I get up early so we can do some mountain biking. And this is in Billings, Montana, and the trail is the Zimmerman Park Trail system. If you kind of watch the video, you realize that there really isn't a set trail, so to speak. Obviously, you can see the views are amazing, but it was really hard to kind of stay on a single trail. They kind of branch off all over the place, as you'll see if you watch the video. It's a fun, kind of technical sections here and there with cliff drop-offs all over the place. But it does give you a great view of the city below, and it's kind of fun, you know, even though you don't really rip fast because you're afraid if you come around a corner you don't want to go flying off a cliff. I guess if you get to know it, then you can start ripping it, but they're really, like I said, there's so many trails going all over the place, it's hard to decide which way to go. Don't worry, my wife didn't fall off the edge. Even though she's not right behind me, she probably was just taking her time, making sure she's safe.
Ow, watch out for that spiky plant.
Definitely watch out for the spiked plants. They will stick you pretty good. And also watch out for people with dogs. There are a lot of people walking their dogs out on this trail system.
Unclip. We gotta go back. This is washed out. There, this blocks the trail.
Here again you can see the many trails. My wife took a different route. She shows up on the left side there.
Watch out for
Here's another one of those plants. There's a slow motion of it right there on the right side. Those spikes will definitely get you.
Oh, that's why you go slow. Tight rocks. Careful. Yeah. I don't want to go that way.
go from one side to the other. There is a trail that goes along the side of the airport and along the side of the road. We didn't do that. It just didn't look very exciting. So we just played around in this area. We are coming up to an area where the Zimmerman Park trail ends and it goes into private land, but you'll see there's a sign that is from the landowner that allows you to go on the land at your own risk. It does have a phone number on there. We didn't venture over there because we were running short on time. The road that goes up the gorge here to the trail system had a crack in it or something, so they had the road closed. So we had a 15-minute detour to get here, and that just ate into our riding time. Sign. This is at the west side of the trail system. Again, this is the private landowner. He's giving you permission to use the property. The uneventful trail next to the airport goes off the east side of the park. Get out to Billings, it's worth the stop just to see the views and to check out the trail and some of the technical features. I'm sure there's a lot of areas you could make your own runs and make some really sweet drop-offs. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the scenery. Watch out for snakes, watch out for those spiked bushes, and watch out for the cliffs. As always, be safe. Again, thanks. Be sure to subscribe and share. We're looking for some more subscribers on the YouTube channel, so if you like cycling, subscribe. If you have some friends that like cycling, share with them and have them subscribe. Keep the rubber side down.